Welcome to the second episode of our new podcast, Olsa Tools, Grease and Gears. Today, we've got a bit of a treat for you. We're putting our new hand and tool wipes to the ultimate test. Now, let's talk about something you definitely don't want to mess with: carbon black silicone. This stuff is a nightmare on your hands, tools, and pretty much any surface it touches. But hey, we're not here to do things halfway. Let's amp up the challenge and make things greasy. I'm sure that's hard enough, but let's add sticky PU foam. And for kicks, I'm going to mix it up a bit more and slap a handprint right here. Some of you skeptics out there weren't convinced by our first few demos. So, we're going all in today, showing off these wipes in real time, no cuts, no tricks. And the moment you pop open that box, boom, that fresh, zesty lemon scent hits you. Makes you want to grab a glass of lemonade, doesn't it? The magic ingredient, real lemon oil. It's not just a natural degreaser, but also gentle on your skin and tools. And for those worrying about harsh chemicals, these wipes are clear of any SGS toxic solvents or SVHC substances. Peace of mind, right there. Just one swipe and you'll see the difference. But we're not stopping there. We're going all out to strip away every bit of silicone, grease, and foam from the ratchet, this surface, and of course, my hands. And for those of you who pride yourselves on the appearance of your tools, ever notice how some lose their shine over time? A quick wipe down with these babies, and they'll be looking brand new, ready to impress any client. No matter how grimy that wipe gets, it keeps on fighting. Trust me, your hands will thank you. No dryness, no damage, just clean. These lemon-scented wipes aren't just about the fresh smell. They're power-packed to tackle grease, oil, silicone, paint, and much more. Same dirty wipe, but watch as it works its magic once more. Imagine what they can do on your toolbox, making it look as good as the day you bought it. Think about the end of a long day at the shop. You're covered head to toe in dirt and grime, so why not clean up a bit before getting back home? Remember, being a pro isn't just about what you know or how well you do the job. It's also about presentation. Keeping your shop and tools clean and organized speaks volumes. So, why not give these 100-piece lemon wipes a try and see the difference for yourself? Got a tough cleaning challenge for us? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your buddies. Keep it cool and greasy. See you in the next one.